My name is Ilan Maytal. I'm Authentics Chief Data Officer. I'm responsible to develop new services regarding electronic data verification, or in short, EIDV. If you're a hotel owner, people come to your hotel, they see the physical building, they check into the room, whatever they find, they can have it nice or not. When you do it over the internet, people need to trust you. Now, if they read paper that you offering a share property or hotels rooms, and it's not exist, or there are too many crimes, or you misleading them in the area or the facility, they will not use you anymore. And this is new dimension because share economic are much more sensitive to all kind of fraud-related or abuse-related issue. And this is why they need to do what we call ongoing verification of either their customer or their service providers. If you look in some provider, they have two types of entities: providers and customers that use the provider and do, and you know what I'm talking about. And this is why they need the ongoing verification. For example, share cars industry, who say that the guy that registered and was approved to be the driver is actually the one that drives the cars. And this is a new dimension that did not exist before. There will be always fraud. I'm not sure that I can tell you if next year is going to be reduced, but if we will be allowed to fully deploy the tools that we have, it should be dramatically reduced, because then you have to cheat the system, not by just a fraud or fraudulent document. You need to be living in a place that you said you are to living. Your face needs to match the face that was provided, your fingertip, your eye color. You need to be in the same age that you say that you are. We also have some tool to verify. Maybe we can even take a sample of your voice and match it against our database, and more tools. The only big limit, again, what I see is how far we can go and comply with all this privacy. And remember, this is worldwide operation. So it took each one of our tier 1 customer to work around the globe, and they not always do what they can do. They limit themselves what is the local regulation will allow them to do. I think the more time progressed and more people are going to use digital onboarding to all kinds of services, they need to trust the service and, of course, to control. And I'm very much for good government or authorities, audits and verification that, that your privacy is being kept, strictly kept, yeah. So I would assume it just, culture, if you want to call it, education, that people will trust it more and more. And of course, it's open to other type of issues with fraud and readiness, because not all over the world, we can see a lot of other places when the internet is slow, not everyone has access to good internet or good camera or good verification. And yes, it's not perfect, but I think we're moving this way.